Hello artists, how are you today? Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River near Willow Creek, California. Ozzy and I welcome you to the studio. We are very happy you are here with us today. I said it all in one breath. Well, it is April 30th. Oh my goodness. Yes, it is. We are going to see part 2 of this today. Yesterday you saw putting down the cardboard and then putting the copper foil duct tape over the top of it. What you didn't see was basically putting down the ephemera, and then this is some Tim Holtz transfer paper that I put over the top of that for the inside, and then I did put on a small line. I have some thinner copper foil tape, so I just did a quick border on the inside. So there is that. Today we're going to paint, and we're going to play with that rust effect product from Extravagence. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. I just got this not that long ago, and I thought, well, shoot, it's another product that I need to play with that I haven't played with, so let's do it. Woo! Okay, so you'll see the process. Again, I'm not sure if this is like the most uber successful thing, but I think it's gorgeous. I mean, look at all, here, let me see if I can get a focus on here. Look at all that cool detail in there. Oh my God, that's pretty rock and roll. So, this is our last video for the 30th, so this will be the end of the contest. We'll do a separate video showing what the last prizes are. Remember that by May 3rd, by May 2nd at midnight, okay, you will need to have your complete list sent to Kat Austin over at MessyHands Band of Artists group on Facebook. Send it via Messenger. Do not put it in a photo in MessyHands, because then everybody can copy it, and then that would defeat the purpose of you being so diligent and doing the contest correctly, right? Right? Don't do that. Don't show everybody the words. Private message it to Kat Austin. If you are not on Facebook, down in the comments you have my email address, stephanieaunedesigns@gmail.com. Just go ahead and send it to me via email. Again, this will be on May 2nd at 12 o'clock midnight is the deadline. So if you are interested in the contest, to be in the contest, be sure to get us your list of words. We will take the ones that have the most words. Those will go into the hat. If you have all 30 words, if there's 10 people that have all 30 words, if there's 20, 30 people that have all 30 words, those words are going to go into the hat, and one person will be drawn from there. Remember, you do need to comment on all the videos, okay? Because we will go and check with that person that won to make sure that there is a comment underneath that page. The day one, actually I think day 2 it was, that got corrupted. I know some of you were not able to leave a message on that day, so that's going to be an excused day. For some reason YouTube had a really weird glitch that day. Okay, I'm gonna do a separate video for the contest prize. Yes, I will. Okay, thanks so much everybody for playing along. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.